close. See, great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Honda Odyssey and today I will show you this sliding door not working. Today I will show you how to repair it and how you can solve this problem, sliding door problem. Okay, in this video I will show you. Not working, you can see here. Open, close, not working. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you have to scan with your diagnosis tool what is the fault, why this power tailgate not working. With my diagnosis tool and got fault, you can see here all those fault code. Control circuit open, antenna and sliding door, latch switch circuit. I remove everything for cause power door not working, that's why. And here is the passenger power sliding door motor. This is for lock and this is for open. Here is the wiring. I check everything, wire and everything is perfect here and there, and then I remove power door motor door pads. See here, I remove it everything. Okay, I check every wire, everything is perfect, and then now I remove this wire and check. Wiring loop, this is main wiring for door. Most of the time this wiring damage. Okay, so first of all remove this, check. Okay, now I remove it and check one by one. Here is the wiring kit. Remove here also. See here, I remove this main wiring loop, and here you can see also accident. Here is also same. So remove it and check first. And this Odyssey front door main wiring kit, you can see I remove all and I got fault here. See 1, 2, now 3, all wire damage here, and that's why all those problem came. So one by one I repair it, and when I fix it I will show you. Now I fix it back. Okay, here is the whole wiring. Oh, as you can see, I got fault in here in this sliding door main wire, and then I fix it back now perfectly, and I will show you. Close. See, great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.